Okay, so welcome back here at DEC Engineering Tutorial. So ngayon mag-solve tayo ng past board exam under parabolic curve. Okay, so ito yung problem. Points A, B, and C has elevations of 30 meter, 33 meters, and 27 meter respectively. So since gumamit siya ng word na respectively, so meaning yung elevation ng A is 30, elevation ng B is 33, elevation ng C is 27. So that is according to first statement. So kumbaga, so ito yung point A natin, may elevation 30 yan. Yung point B, yung elevation niya 33, yung point C, yung elevation niya 27. Okay. Point B is between A and C. So tama yung pagkalagay natin ng mga points. And 160 meter from A, no? So kumbaga ito daw is 160 meter from A. And 90 meter from C. So kumbaga yung distance between B and C is 90 meter. Horizontal distance. So if we connect this one, no? So we can generate a parabolic curve, no? Okay? Kasi yung tanong dito, find the location from A and elevation of the highest point of the parabolic curve formed by joining itong 3 points A, B, and C. So, parabolic curve. So, parabolic curve yun ito. So, the distance between them is 160 and 90 meter respectively. Okay. So, let's assume ito yung highest point, no? So, yung tanong dyan, ano yung location yan from A, tsaka ano yung elevation niya. Okay? Ayan. So, ito yung magiging figure natin. So, to solve this, let's assume itong distance na to is x. Okay? And then, yung distance na to is y, no? So, hintayin nyo hanggang dulo, no? Yung lecture na to. Kasi pagkatapos nito, ibang ano na lang. Ikalte kasi natin to, no? After. Okay? Sige. So, we have x and then y. So, let's assume na ito is y. Yan. So, kumbaga, we have x tsaka y if we assume yung highest point is 0, 0. So, parang ano to, this one is x, then this one is y. So, ito yung x-axis natin, then yung y-axis natin is yung ito. Yung dito referring to highest point. Okay? So, the distance between yung mga elevation na to, 33 tsaka 33 meters yan, tsaka yung 30 tsaka 27, 3 meters yan. So, kumbaga, hindi ko nalagay ito. So, this one, we assume this one as 0, 0. Yung ito. Ayan. So, this one is 0. Yung ito siya. Then, ito is also 0. So, yan yung inassume natin. 0, 0. Bali. Okay? So, kung 0, 0 yun, so meaning yung distance na to, kung ito yung x, so meaning plus 90, so x plus 90 to, no? And then, kung ito yung y, so plus 6 meter tayo, so y plus 6 bali yan. Okay? And then, yung sa point A naman, so kung ito yung, ano natin, this one is 160, this one is x, so meaning this one is 160 minus x. So, we have 160 minus x, and then kung ito yung y, ito yung 3, so meaning that is y plus 3. Okay? So, provided na ito yung origin natin. Okay? So, yan yung mga points na nakuha natin. Okay. So, using the squared property of parabola, so, meron tayong y sub 1 over x sub 1 kasi in one value of y, we have two value of x, no? Using the horizontal line test, no? Considering itong horizontal line na to, so may one value of y ka in two value, we have two value of x in one value of y, no? Kaya isa lang yung y, yung squared andun sa x. So, y sub 1 over x sub 1 squared is equal to y sub 2 over x sub 2 squared. Okay. So, unahin muna natin yung ito, yung y, and then yung x niya, naka-squared. Yung pangalawa naman, itong y plus 3. So, y plus 3, yung x niya, itong 160 minus x squared. No? Tsaka yung dito naman sa point C, yung y niya is y plus 6. Yung x niya, yung itong x plus 90 squared. Okay? Klaro? Yan. So, pwede natin i-cross multiply ito sila. So, first, ito, x squared multiplied by y plus 3 is equal nitong y multiplied by 160 minus x squared. No? So, pwede nating i-distribute yan. So, magiging x squared y yan plus nung 3x squared. No? And then, this one is equal to 160. This one is 160 squared. Parang inuna ko muna yung ito. No? So, 160 squared minus 2 times 160 times x. No? Ayan. Then, plus x squared. No? Yung sa algebra. No? Okay? So, since i-multiply pa natin siya ng y, so yung 160 squared multiplied by y, then yung minus nung 2 times 160 times x, no? Multiplied by y, so kaya naging ganito. Negative 2 times 160 x and then y. And then plus x squared multiplied by, again, by y, so you have x squared multiplied by y. So, unahin mo munang i-expand itong 160 minus x squared before mo i-distribute yung y. Isa-isa na. So, yun naman yung ginawa ko dito. Okay? Sige. So, pwede nating i-transpose itong x squared minus y. And then, we have plus 3x squared. Okay. Transpose din natin sa kabilang side itong negative 2. So, magiging positive 2 yan times 160 times x times y. And then, itong positive na to, i-transpose natin, magiging negative yan. No? Negative 160 squared y equal to 0. So, meaning, makikita mo na dito na part makakancel out, no? Yung x squared y. So, yung matitira, 3x squared na lang, plus 2 times 160, x, tsaka yung y, minus 160 squared y equal to 0. Sabihin natin, that is equation A. Okay, yung pangalawa naman, itong x squared multiplied by y plus 6, tsaka yung y multiplied by x plus 90 squared. Again, we just need to distribute. Unahin mo muna yung dito, then unahin mo muna i-expand itong x plus 90 squared before mo i-distribute yung y. No? So, magiging ano yan, no? Unahin muna natin to. X squared times y plus yung 6 times x squared. Then dito, unahin mo muna i-expand itong x plus 90 squared. So, yung meron kang x squared plus 2 times, okay, so it should be plus, no? So, it should be plus. Ayan, ha? So, unahin muna natin i-expand to. So, x squared plus 2 times 90 times x, then plus 90 squared, na? Ngayon, i-distribute mo yung y isa-isa, kada term, okay? So, y times x, so x squared y, then itong, ano nila, yung sa middle nila, so 2 times 90 times x times y again, ha? So, kaya, positive 2 times 90 times x times y, plus yung 90 squared, then distribute mo yung y, 90 squared y. So, yung style lang dito, unahin mo muna i-expand yung x plus 90 squared, saka mo i-distribute yung y. So, again, we transpose itong x squared minus y, magiging negative x squared y yan. Then, yung plus 6x squared at is yan, ito, i-transpose natin, magiging negative 2 times 90 times x times y. And then, ito, transpose din natin, magiging negative 90 squared y. Yeah? So, makikita natin na this one is cancel out. So, yung matitira, 6x squared minus 2 times 90 times x times y minus 90 squared y equal to 0. Sabihin natin that is equation B. Okay? Equation B. Okay, considering itong equation A tsaka equation B, ayan. So, multiply na lang natin ng 2 itong equation A, na? And then, isubtract natin kalaunan, na? So, multiplied 2 dito. So, magiging ano yung equation A, no? Magiging 6x squared plus 2 times 2 times 160 x and y, then minus 2 times 160 squared y, na? Equal to 0. Okay, magiging ganito yan, na? And then, yung equation B, at is na lang natin yan. Ganyan pa rin. Then, i-deduct na lang natin yung dalawang equation na yan. So, yung mangyayari dito, maka-cancel out yung 6x squared. Then, yung 2 times 2, calculate lang natin. Then, yung 2 times 2, times 160 minus yung negative. So, magiging positive yan. So, i-type ko na lang yung sign. So, negative 2 times 90. Ayan. So, yung sagot niyan, 820. Okay? And then, yung dito naman, sa kabilang side, negative 2 times 160 squared minus nung negative, so magiging positive, negative 90 squared. Then, equal natin, so that is negative 43,100. So, meron ka ng 820xy minus 43,100y equal to 0. So, pwede natin i-transpose ulit itong 43,100y sa kabilang side. So, magiging 820xy yan equal nung 43,100y. No? Cancel out yung y. So, matitira yung x. So, we can now just divide yung 43,100 divided by 820. So, meron tayong 52.56 meters. Yung value pala nung x dito sa inassume natin, no? Yung highest point from B is 52.56. Okay, balik tayo dito sa yung squared property of parabola. Since may value of x na tayo, so pwede nating ipang substitute na lang. No? Ito yung x kanina, yung x squared minus 1, dito 160 minus x, which is 52.56. And then ito din, x plus 90. No? So, substitute lang natin. So, kahit saan dyan, no? So, pwede ito siya yung i-calculate mo, or pwede rin ito, or yung first tsaka yung third. No? It's up to you. No? So, makukuha mo na value yung y equal to 0.94 meters. Okay? So, yung elevation at the highest point, ano yan? 33 plus y. You know? So, 33 plus y, kasi yung tanong naman is ano yung elevation nito from A, no? So, yung elevation ng A is, nga pala na, ano yung elevation, yung from A is yung distance, no? Pero yung elevation, it doesn't matter, no? Kasi elevation 27, meaning at the datum yan, no? Okay? So, dito na lang, no? Kasi andito na yung y sa 33. So, this is 30. Pwede rin 30 actually, no? So, 30 plus 3 ka pa rin, no? Pero 30 plus 3 plus y, parang ganun. Pero dito na lang tayo, no? 33 plus y. So, therefore, we have 33.94 meters. And then, yung location niya, ito na yung from A, no? So, since yung nakuha natin is na x is 52.56, yung tinatanong, yung gustong hanapin, or yung tinatanong sa problem is itong 160 minus x. Kasi from A yung location ng highest point. So, that would be 160 minus x, which is 52.56. So, we have 107.44 meters. And ito na yung mga sagot. Okay? So, pa-check out na lang itong next na video for the Caltech nito. Okay? So, see you in the next video.